Welcome back to the series I'm now calling We Bought a House from a Guy Who Totally Gave Up and Now We Have to Fix It. So today we're just tackling the overgrown edging in the lawn. This is one of those things that's such a simple task. It's a little bit time consuming, it's a little bit of a pain in the butt, but it makes such a huge difference in the appearance of your house. And later I still need to tackle the overgrowth in the front beds and all of that, but here we go. We just got a simple, cheap edger for our house. So we're doing the front walkway here. We're just literally taking this thing, stepping on the sides, and then wiggling it from side to side, and it cuts those roots out so we can pull along the side and just everything comes right out, and it's fantastic. And you can also do this with a straight shovel, which we don't have, or there's electric edgers that do this as well, but we feel like this was a cost-effective solution considering we just bought this house and we've been putting a lot of money into some projects. While my husband tackles the front, I went ahead and started on the back and pulled out a lot of the grasses that were covering the curved edge of the patio, and then I came back through with the edger when he was done. The whole project took about 2 hours, which isn't too bad for the curb appeal that this provided. The last piece of this was mowing the lawn so everything was nice and even, and I think it turned out great.